Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm here with a new video today. Now this is going to be my first official video for my product reviews series. I did this video last year and I decided I just had to do it again this year, and it's going to be my favorite hair products of 2017. Now as you can imagine, I try and go through so many different hair products when doing my hair and my daughter's hair, so I decided I would just share with you the best of what I found, what are my staple products, my go-to products, and then some that I found throughout the year that I really fell in love with. So let's just jump into the video. Okay guys, so we're going to start off with the shampoos. I have a few here that I want to show you, and all these products that I'm going to be showing you today work really well in my daughter's hair and my hair. We have slightly different hair textures. I mean, if you've been watching this for a while, you know that my youngest has all waves, her hair is almost straight. Then my middle daughter's hair is more curly and a little bit kinky, and then my eldest and myself, our hair is more coarse and very kinky. So yes, my first shampoo that I want to show you is my all-time favorite. I think I had this featured in my last year as well. I mean, if it ain't broken, then don't fix it. And that would be the Can 2 Shea Butter Moisturizing Cream Shampoo. This is one of my favorites, obviously, because I'm showing it to you. But I cannot recommend this enough. It absolutely 100% hands down removes any buildup you may have, if your hair's been braided for a while, if you've been putting a lot of gels and that sort of stuff in your hair. It really removes all of the buildup, but it also leaves your hair feeling very moisturized at the same time, and I really love that, because I find some shampoos can strip the hair and it feels extremely dry, but with this it does not do that at all. It really, as I said, clarifies but still leaves it feeling a bit moisturized and very soft. So the second one I want to show you is from Palmer's. The bottle is empty right now. I need to repurchase another one, but it is their coconut oil formula cleansing oil shampoo, and this is said to be for weak, fragile, or breakage prone hair. This shampoo is like heaven. I find with my hair and my eldest, with our hair being very kinky and very coarse, you have to be extremely careful with the hair when shampooing, that you don't strip it too much that it's prone to breakage. And with this, I just love the way it washes the hair. It leaves it so soft, smelling so great, and our hair after we wash with this, it feels as if you just had a deep treatment in, and you were in that deep treatment for the longest time. And after you do a good deep condition or deep treatment and you rinse it out of your hair, how soft and fluffy and shiny your hair looks. That's the result that I get with this. It does not feel like you've been using a shampoo at all after you finish using it. So the third shampoo I want to show you today is from a brand here in the UK called Curly Ellie. Let me just show you the bottle. It is absolutely pretty. And this is supposed to contain quinoa, and it's specifically created for curly, wavy, and frizzy hair. Now, I originally purchased Curly Ellie's products to use in my baby's hair, but I found that I started to sneak and use it as well in mine and my other daughters. I mean, it's very gentle, it's all natural, it has no parabens, synthetic fragrances, anything like that, no mineral oils or anything. And I wanted something that was very natural for her hair, and I decided to pick up this one, and I just fell in love with it. Again, it shampoos very well, it doesn't strip the hair, it leaves it feeling very moisturized. And if you have a little one, then this is something that I would definitely recommend. They also have other products, and yeah, that's this one. So next up, I have two conditioners I'm going to show you. The first one is from Auntie Jackie's, and this is said to be their moisturizing and softening conditioner. It is sulfate free, paraben free, no mineral oil, no petroleum, and it's for natural curls, coils, and waves. It's enriched with shea butter and olive oil, and I really love how this brings the hair back to life. Sometimes, I'm gonna be honest, I am so lazy with my own hair, and I really need that extra oomph when I'm going to deep condition and washing it, to to actually bring my hair strands back to life. And this really does that. If your hair tends to look dull sometimes, then this is a great option for you. Also, it's good for detangling the hair. I love to apply this and then detangle my girls' hair. It really gets through their hair very easily, and I love when I wash it out how it leaves it feeling very fluffy at the end. So yeah, this is a great option for a conditioner. And again, this is the moisturizing and softening one from Auntie Jackie's with the blue label on the front. So the next one that I have to show you is this baby right here. It's from Palmer's, and it is their Curl Repair Moisture Conditioner. It's supposed to be for anti-breakage. It's supposed to help elongate your curls and redefine that shine. It definitely does all of that. And the next great thing is that it has no parabens, sulfate, mineral oil, anything like that. And I love the fact that it has that shea butter formula in there. I am a sucker for some shea butter, and I just love it. So next, we're gonna dive into the leave-in conditioners. The first one that I have been using religiously throughout 2017 is this one from Palmer's. It's the Manuka formula with vitamin E. Guys, this bottle is almost empty. Like, there's just a little bit like here left. I use this religiously almost every single day. I don't know what is it about this, but this works extremely well in my girls' hair. This has cocoa butter in it, shea butter, the Manuka flower honey, and it has no sulfates, parabens, no dyes. It's supposed to restore moisture and shine naturally. Now, if I need to touch up my girls' hair or just apply some sort of leave-in conditioner while their hair is braided up or up in a ponytail or whatever, I grab this. In the mornings when I'm running late, I grab this because I know I'm gonna get the results and their hair is gonna be protected the way that I want. I just love the smell of it as well. But yeah, it really, really puts that moisture back into the hair strands, and it doesn't feel, you know, some leave-in conditioners can feel a bit like sticky and icky. Nah, this one, it is absolutely amazing. The next leave-in conditioner is from Cream Miniature, and this is from their Argan Oil line. This, I've been using this for a few years now. It has never failed me. The scent may not be appealing to everyone. I've gotten over that. I just love this. I love to use this when I have just washed the girls' hair and I apply this straight after. I go through them like crazy. I have to have this in their hair products cupboard. And it is said to strengthen their hair and give it an exotic shine. I don't even care about the shine, it just really strengthens their hair. It really seems to, you know, coat the hair well. Again, it doesn't leave it feeling sticky, icky, any of that stuff. And it's not that expensive. Again, when I look at my hair product stashes here, they're all very reasonably priced as well. So yeah, this is a great option for you to try out if you want. Next up is this one from Mayel Organics. This is from their Tiny and Tots line. It's supposed to be a detangling conditioner, and it's made with certified organic ingredients and it's formulated for children. If you need something to help you detangle your child's hair, especially if your child's hair is like my Camilla's hair, that is very curly and it tends to just tangle up. Even if you just look at it, it just tangles up. You need this. This baby right here has worked the magic for me. In times when I felt like crying, like seriously crying because of how matted and tangled her hair gets, this has brought me back to life. This has saved me from cutting the hair, cutting out knots and all of that, because I have done that in the past. This has saved me. This bad boy right here is the bomb. Next up are my favorite pomades, and the first one is from Cantu. It's their Shea Butter Hair Dressing Pomade. It's supposed to add texture, lift and control and seals in moisture. I love to use this with any type of curling cream that I'm using or conditioner if I'm doing styling. I think it really helps to give the hair an extra pop. It also helps the hair to last a little bit longer. And yeah, I just love this pomade. So the next one is from my L Organics. This is from their Mogongo oil line. This is their pomade to oil treatment. I just love to use this in the girls' hair after I have washed it. If I'm doing like twists, because I always do twists in their hair. This is something that I apply straight after with a leave-in conditioner. This really helps to coat the hair strands and keep it feeling moisturized, so that when you're ready to style it, essentially that is still very, you know, soft and manageable. Next up, I've got 3 oils to show you that I have really been loving. So the first oil that I have here is from Auntie Jackie's, and this is their balanced grapeseed and avocado oil. It's also supposed to be enriched with coconut, and it's supposed to improve porosity levels and moisture balance. It's also excellent as a pre-approved treatment. Guys, look at how much is left. Look at it. I have used this till the cows come home. I don't know if y'all would understand what I'm saying, but I have used this religiously. What? Your ends dry? Grab the Auntie Jackie's oil. What? Your scalp itching? Grab the Auntie Jackie's oil. I just love this oil. And I tend to use oils when I am braiding the hair. I will use it on the scalp to massage the scalp first. If the ends are dry, I would rub it along the hair shaft specifically as well, trying to make sure I get the ends coated throughout the week. If the hair feels dry, again, grab the oil. So that's this first one. The second one I have is by L Organics, and it's their mint almond oil. Now this one, I really like this one, but I use it sparingly because it's a bit strong, so it could be a bit overpowering. But I find that it really helps coat the hair shaft to help like lock in moisture with your conditioner or anything like that. Or if your scalp feels a bit dry, you can put a bit on the scalp if it's flaking and dry, and just massage it in over a few days, and I find that it helps. So that's this one. And finally, we have this oil that I received during last year in one of the treasure chest boxes that I got, and this is the Hair Amour oil, and it's sweet summer citrus. It's growth stimulating and conditioning oil for your hair and your scalp. I've used this hair, scalp, every part of the hair I've used this, and I just love the scent. I love how it leaves the hair as well. So that is this one for the oils. But the last set of stuff I want to show you is just like some styling stuff, so like gels and like edge control. And the first one that I want to show you is this one from Curls. It's their Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Jelly. Guys, I just love this. I am all for gels that do what they say they're going to do. So anything that can keep that style in without flaking, I just love it. This gives you such a hold, but what I would say is that you have to be careful how you use it. You cannot overuse it because then it becomes a bit like sticky. But if you use it in the right amount, your hairstyle just comes out perfectly. And that's what I love about this. So that's this one from Curls. So the next one I have is also from Curls, and this is from their Curly Q line, however, which is for the kids. And this is the Curly Q gel. Again, this works extremely well at giving you the hold and shine that you need for like twist outs, if you're doing braids, anything like that. Again, this is one that I find does not flake, and you could have the style in for a week, 2 weeks, going into 3 weeks, and it still holds it. So I love this for that. Next up is my absolute favorite curling cream from Cantu, and it's their coconut curling cream. And I cannot do without this and their twist and lock gel. Oh my gosh, they work the magic together. They give you some of the best results that I have ever had with any style that you're doing, whether you're doing like a braid out, twist out, flat twist, you name it. These are even on a wash and go. This coconut curling cream was made with some sort of hair magic, I'm telling you. But yeah, this again has no sulfates, parabens, silicones, mineral oil, and it's the Cantu Shea Butter line. And yeah, if you haven't tried any curling cream, then you definitely need to try this. It is great. So when it comes to edge controls, I'm not really that fussy. I like a few from like Palmer's has a good one, Cream of Nature, like there's so many, and I find that they all give reasonably okay results. But this one right here from Mayel Organics that I got last year, I just love this thing. Let me show you how much I've got. I've still got quite a bit left. I mean, a little bit with this goes a long way. It smells really well. And this one is supposed to have honey and ginger, and it is supposed to be soft and manageable. It does not leave the edges feeling dry, and it does not flake. It still leaves it feeling very moisturized while holding it. I don't know how it gets it done. Again, I'm not fussy, but if I had to choose one, then I would definitely choose this one from Mayel Organics. It is just absolutely edge control heaven. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed my favorites for 2017. Comment down below and let me know if you spotted any of the ones that you love to use. And yeah, I'll see you again very soon. Bye now.